For many of us, there's only one way to jumpstart our mornings, coffee. But coffee drinkers, beware, your favorite morning drink could be affecting your dental health and preventing you from having a wider smile. Here to tell us more from Creating Smiles Dental are Dr. Cindy Brayer and dental hygienist Tiffany Feger. Welcome, ladies.
Thank you for having us.
Let's start with you, Tiffany, since I'm sure you see so much coffee staining. Why does coffee stain teeth?
Well, anything that could stain like your shirt or Tupperware can really stain your teeth. And coffee's dark, so stains your teeth. And also it has tannins in it, and the tannins will bind to the rough spots on your teeth that aren't smooth, and also bacteria that sticks to your teeth.
Dr. Brayer, why do some people get coffee stains and yet others don't?
So when you're drinking coffee, the tannins in the coffee will actually get stuck onto the tooth enamel. So if you have more rougher enamel, like more porosities and more pittings and chips in the teeth, then it'll actually get stuck onto those pittings, versus people who have smoother enamel will not have as much stainings. Another thing is if you're not keeping your teeth clean, so if you have, like, let's say more plaque on your teeth, then the tannins will get stuck onto those areas of plaque and debris and everything and cause them to turn to a brownish staining. So sometimes you'll see the stainings like right on the gum lines or in between your teeth, and that's again from the coffee stainings getting stuck in those plaque areas.
So Tiffany, let's say, I notice coffee stains right now. What should I do?
Visit me.
Okay.
So go to the dentist, but a professional cleaning really will erase those stains from your teeth. And then after, when we remove all the stains, we will add fluoride to your teeth, and the fluoride will make your tooth more slick and smooth, so it's a lot more, less able to get the stain sticking to it. So it's less risk, a lower risk. And then also when you go home, get an electric toothbrush. This is one of mine. I have a couple. This is the newest, latest, greatest from Oral-B, the IO, and it will really polish and keep the stains off of your teeth. Then the other thing you could do is whiten your teeth. And when you have white teeth, you're going to be less likely to want to sip on coffee all day long. And then also smiling. Smiling will brighten your teeth.
Oh, I like that. See, I could do the smiling, but the giving of coffee, I don't know. Dr. Brayer, tell me that there are other ways to prevent staining, because I really need my morning coffee.
Well, so we know that if you have less contact of the coffee on your teeth, then you're going to have less staining. So ideally, stop drinking coffee. However, there are many people who are like you who don't want to give up their coffee. So here are a few recommendations. One would be, instead of sipping it all morning long, just drink it. Drink it in one sitting and just be done with it. And after you drink it, then drink with some water and rinse the coffee off of your teeth. And while you're drinking it, if you can use a straw and just put it way into the back of your mouth and bypass those front teeth, that would be best. And then maybe 20-30 minutes after drinking the coffee, if you can just brush your teeth and just get it really clean, then that would also help too. And making sure you're using a less abrasive toothpaste, because we know that the more abrasive the toothpastes are, the rougher the enamel will be, and contributing to more staining. So abrasive toothpaste may be more whitening toothpaste, or even the toothpaste that may cause, that they talk about, like removing the staining and everything, but they're more abrasive. Another thing is making sure you use a soft bristled toothbrush, because the medium and the hard toothbrushes are also more abrasive. So those are things that are more helpful. And if you're eating, then making sure that you're eating foods that are less acidic. Foods and drinks that are more acidic causes more porosities of the enamel, which is again more rough. And one last thing would be, go and check with your dentist and make sure that your bite is not contributing to more chips and fractures, because that will also make the teeth not as smooth.
Wonderful tips. Thank you, Dr. Brayer. Tiffany, thank you as
You're
well.
welcome.
And of course, you can get more information by visiting creating-smiles.com or call one of their 2 locations in St. Petersburg and Clearwater at the numbers on your screen. Daytime will be right back.